In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a dual clock widget to the home screen of your Android phone. For this video, I'll be using the Samsung Galaxy, but these instructions should apply to most Android phones. So what you want to do is a long press on an empty space in your home screen. And then from the menu that appears, select Widgets. Scroll through until you find the clocks section, and then browse through your clock widgets until you find the dual clock. So to add it to your home screen, you can either drag and drop, or you can just simply select and then tap on Add. To move your widget, just long press on the widget and drag it around on your home screen to wherever you'd like. If you'd like to switch it to a different page, long press and then drag it across the border until you get to the page you'd like. Then position it wherever you want and just drop it. So if you want to customize your dual clock, long press on it again and select Settings. From here, you can customize which cities can be seen. You can also choose to have it in day and night mode. If you want to disable this day and night option, you can choose to have it in either white or in black, and you can also choose to decrease or increase the opacity of the white or black option. Then when you're happy, just tap on Save. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.